In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product category in Odoo. If you need to clean up your product setup and remove a category you no longer use, Odoo makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete a product category quickly and confidently. To begin, open the Inventory app from your Odoo dashboard. This is where you can manage product-related settings and configurations, including categories. Once you're inside the Inventory app, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Configuration. This menu gives you access to several setup options for your inventory and product organization. From the Configuration menu, select Categories under the Products section. After you click that, you'll be taken to the page that displays your full list of product categories. This is the area where you can review the categories currently available in your system and identify the one you want to remove. Now find the category you want to delete and check the box next to it. Be sure you select the correct category before moving forward, especially if you have several categories with similar names. Taking a moment to confirm your selection can help prevent deleting the wrong one by mistake. Once the category is selected, go to the top of the list view and click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu with available bulk actions for the selected item. From that menu, choose Delete. Odoo will then remove the selected product category. And that's all there is to it. The product category has been deleted. As a quick tip, if you're unable to delete a category, it may be because it's still being used elsewhere in your database. In that case, you may need to review how that category is assigned before trying again. But if the delete option is available and the category is not restricted by any existing usage, the process should work exactly as shown. This is a simple but useful task for keeping your product list organized and making sure your category structure stays clean and relevant. If you're regularly updating your inventory setup, knowing how to remove unused categories can save time and reduce clutter. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to delete a product category in Odoo.